Nanosonic, founded in the year 2000, is an Australian-owned medical device manufacturer based in Sydney. Nanosonic has developed unique disinfection technologies, making it an innovator in infection control solutions for many industries, and more recently, the healthcare industry. Nanosonic's launch into the global healthcare market has been led by the Trophon EPR, a device specifically designed to disinfect intracavity and surface ultrasound probes. Welcome to the Trophon EPR experience. Thank you for purchasing your new ultrasound probe high-level disinfection solution. The Trophon EPR provides the following point-of-care benefits: high-level disinfection, fast processing time, disinfection in 7 minutes, no exposure to harmful chemicals due to our closed system, environmentally friendly byproducts, water and oxygen. Care for your probes with our outstanding materials compatibility, quality assured consistency of the disinfection process, increased safety, confidence and care through automated design, easy and safe management of consumables. This video will demonstrate the operation of your new Trophon EPR. By the end of this video, you will know how to operate your Trophon EPR and how to high-level disinfect ultrasound probes using your Trophon EPR. To complete this process, there will be a short quiz for you to take after watching this video. When you receive your Trophon EPR, open the box and unpack it. Within the box, you will find the product literature kit, the power cable, the cable management system, and your device. Your Trophon EPR should be used in an operating environment with temperatures between 17 to 27 degrees Celsius or 63 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Your device should be positioned on a surface that can support the weight of the device, which is approximately 17 kilograms or 38 pounds. Ensure that your Trophon EPR has at least 250 millimeters or 10 inches operating space beside the device. Your device should be leveled to ensure operational accuracy. You may adjust the level of your device by rotating the feet of the unit. Alternatively, your Trophon EPR can be wall-mounted or placed onto the Trophon cart. Assemble the cable management system and secure it in place. The quick reference guide provided should be fixed in a prominent position as close to the device as possible. Your Trophon EPR must be connected to an earthed outlet using the power cable supplied. Turn on your device using the power switch. Your device should remain powered on at all times for 2 reasons. 1. To maximize the number of cycles obtained from each disinfectant cartridge. 2. To minimize Trophon EPR warm-up time. Your Trophon EPR will automatically enter sleep mode after a period of inactivity to save power. Upon powering up your Trophon EPR, you will be prompted to set the date and time. Press OK to set the date and time. Set the date and time by using the button under Next to move through each set point. Once each set point is correct, press OK. If you wish to change these settings later, you can do so via the menu. Operating your Trophon EPR is a simple process. You will learn how to load a disinfectant cartridge, use a chemical indicator, disinfect a probe, and purge the device. Follow these simple instructions, and you will experience an effective disinfection process every time. To load the cartridge, you must wear gloves, remove the cartridge lid, Insert neck first and rotate the cartridge into the holder until it falls into position. Close the cartridge door. Your Trophon EPR needs to warm up and reach a preset temperature, as there are a number of critical parameters that need to be in an appropriate operating range before a high-level disinfection cycle can commence. Warming up will take approximately 1 hour the first time you set up your device. Once your device has completed its warm-up cycle, it will display Load Probe on the LCD screen. To change the language, select Menu, then Setup, then Language. Select your desired language and press OK. Navigate back to the Load Probe screen. Your Trophon EPR is now ready for high-level disinfection. Pre-clean the probe as per the manufacturer's guidelines. It is essential the probe is clean and dry. If the probe is not clean and dry, high-level disinfection cannot be guaranteed. Open the chamber door. Insert a new chemical indicator disc into the chamber door. It is important to position the probe correctly. Place the probe in the disinfection chamber above the embossed line. The chamber wall is hot and should not make contact with your hands for an extended period. Ensure that the probe does not make contact with the chamber wall. The cable of the probe should be securely positioned within the clamp. Ensure the top of the probe's cable gland is above the seal. To start the disinfection cycle, you must close the chamber door. Select Yes to confirm that the probe is clean and dry. Press Start to begin. After 7 minutes, an alarm will sound, and the screen message will read Cycle Complete, confirming a successful disinfection cycle. Upon completion, open the chamber door. Wear new gloves to protect the probe from contamination. Remove the chemical indicator and compare it against the color chart. If a pass color is shown, no further processing is required. Discard the used chemical indicator. Remove the probe and wipe with an absorbent single-use dry lint-free cloth. Visually inspect the probe and ensure it is dry. The probe is now high-level disinfected and is ready for use. In the unlikely event there is a failed disinfection cycle, this will be indicated by an on-screen message and/or an incorrect chemical indicator color. If this occurs, attempt a second disinfection cycle, ensuring a new chemical indicator is inserted. If the second cycle is unsuccessful, contact your local Trophon representative. After 2 hours of inactivity, or if the probe is not removed immediately after a disinfection cycle, the device will enter sleep mode. To exit sleep mode, press Restart on the LCD screen. The warm-up time from sleep mode is approximately 10 minutes. To prevent the device entering sleep mode, always remove the probe immediately after a disinfection cycle. If the device has been powered off, warm-up time will be extended. If the disinfectant has expired within the device, or if you wish to move the device, you will need to remove the disinfectant. The purge cycle performs this function. The cartridge expires 30 days after loading it into your device. There are 2 reasons to run a purge cycle. 1. If the disinfectant cartridge has expired, the device will prompt you to run a purge cycle. 2. Prior to lifting or moving the device, you will need to use the menu and select Purge manually. A purge cycle typically takes 35 minutes to complete. During a purge, you may hear the sound of the pump pulsing, or the sound of a fan running in the background. At the end of the purge cycle, you will be asked to empty the waste drawer. Upon completion of a purge cycle, a new disinfectant cartridge will need to be inserted before you can commence a new high-level disinfection cycle. When a disinfectant cartridge is ready for replacement, your device will automatically prompt you. Wear gloves. Remove and discard the empty cartridge. Follow the on-screen prompts to insert a new cartridge. The byproduct of the disinfectant is non-toxic and mostly water, which is collected in the waste drawer. You will be periodically prompted to empty this. Remove and empty the waste drawer contents into the sink. Replace the empty waste drawer. To summarize what you have learned today, let's review some of the key points. Leave your device powered on at all times. Always wear new gloves. Pre-clean and dry the probe before disinfecting. Ensure the probe is inserted in the device correctly. Use a new chemical indicator with every disinfection cycle. Wipe the probe after the disinfection cycle. This concludes your introductory training session. You can watch this training video at any time via the Trophon website. Ensure you complete your training after watching this video before using your device. For further information about your Trophon EPR, consult the Trophon EPR user manual, instructions for use, and the training, installation, and frequently asked questions guide, or consult your local Trophon representative.